just want attention. You just want attention.
Well, hello, my dear macroners. How has everybody been? And yes, this is a new name that I've devised for all of y'all because I love you for coming back to my channel and supporting me every time that I upload something. So now, I want to ask you that can you guess what I'm up to today, like from the prelude of today's video? So let me give you a hint. Today, I am going to convert my kitchen into my dressing table. Yes, that's right. Can you guess how? So basically, as you know, we all celebrated Environment Day on the 5th of June. So I came up with this idea of creating edible makeup products, DIY makeup products. For people who don't know DIY, it's do it yourself. Because the idea is to go cruelty free and say no to animal torture. This environment, I cannot say day because it's gone. I cannot even say week because when I upload this video, by the time I upload, the week will also be gone. But so let's just call this Environment Month. But to be honest, every day should be Environment Day, especially that is what the Earth has been wanting to teach us in the entirety of 2020. So let's have some fun while you join me in my kitchen and we make some fun makeup products using edibles, mostly edibles. When I say mostly edibles, I mean 99% of the products that I'm going to be using to make makeup products are edible. Okay, make that 98%. 96%. I'm not going any lower, okay? Let's settle for 96% because guys, I really tried very hard to use only edibles, but it's not just possible to make makeup products out of edibles. You know why? Because it doesn't give you the kind of pigmentation that your normal makeup products do, and also it's very difficult to make edible products sit on your face. So watch this video till the end to find out the stunning makeup looks that I've created for y'all and also the DIY makeup products, and I can't wait for y'all to try it at home.
So here I've taken a teaspoon of arrowroot powder, a pinch of turmeric and a pinch of cocoa. For a warmer skin tone, add more turmeric, and for a darker skin tone, add more cocoa, and for a pinker skin tone, you can add in some beetroot powder. Mix it all together. I'm working with some edible coconut oil. You can use the non-edible one too, so add in a few drops of coconut oil, not too much. Blend it in. Use a tablespoon of any moisturizer your choice. A teaspoon of aloe vera gel has got great cooling effect on your summer skin, helps bind all these ingredients together and gives a really good shine to your foundation. All these ingredients that I'm working with are extremely nutritious for your skin health. Let's try the foundation. It completely matches my skin tone. For the contour, all we need is some more cocoa powder and our DIY foundation. I'll be additionally adding in 2 drops of glycerine to make a consistency thinner than that of the foundations, and we're ready. So I've tried using minimum ingredients to give you the best kind of pigmentation, which we might compare to the ones you buy from the store. For my lip tint, all I'd need is a teaspoon of beetroot powder, a teaspoon of aloe vera gel, which will give that nice pigment to my lip tint, and a cap full of glycerine for the shine. Do you see how rich the color is? So if you add some more aloe vera gel to the lip tint, then you have your eyeshadow and blush. For my homemade kajal, eyeliner and mascara, I will start off by braiding a piece of cotton into a wick for our diya, and the diya already has some mustard oil. We will submerge the entire wick properly in mustard oil so that the flame burns brightly. We have taken 2 small bowls. The smaller your bowls, the better the quality of the kajal will be, because the lesser the distance between the diya and the plate, which will go on top of the 2 bowls, the more would be the amount of soot which would be collected on the surface of the plate. Time to place our plate on top of the diya. Make sure to place it centrally so that more soot could be collected and it has enough space to surface over the plate. So I'm going to be leaving this arrangement alone for 20 minutes because that's the amount of kajal I'd require for this makeup video, but you can keep it longer if you want more kajal. Start scraping off the kajal from the plate and put it in a bowl. Take a tablet of vitamin E and just a little bit of aloe vera gel. Now the lesser the aloe vera gel, the better it is, because then the blacker and thicker your kajal will be. Do you see how black this is? In a glass bowl, we will take a pinch of bee wax, not more, a spoonful of shea butter, and the same amount of coconut oil. We will put in the glass bowl on top of a vessel containing boiling hot water to melt the mixture. Remember, we use just a pinch of bee wax, otherwise the entire mixture can become extremely waxy and sticky. Once the mixture cools down, you can add in some lavender or any other essential oil your choice, or you might just skip this process. The essential oil is just to add a nice flavor to your lip balm, lip tint, blush, make it smell good. To make our eyeshadow, we will take in some of the mixture we just made and divide it separately on a plate to make the 2 different colors of the eyeshadow. Take some orange red food color and mix it with the bee wax, shea butter, coconut oil mixture as much as you want, you know. If you like a darker shade, you can add some more food color and just blend it in until you get a smooth looking lip tint kind of consistency. The shea butter, coconut oil and bee wax adds that, you know, shine to to your lip gloss. That glossy feel to your lip tint. Let's test it. You see what I was talking about? If you want it darker, you can use some more. So we will be using this for our blush, eyeshadow and also lip tint. Similarly, we will be making our green eyeshadow. See how glossy it looks and also sticks to the skin because of bee wax. But don't use too much of it. Okay, so now we'll take some turmeric powder for our third eyeshadow. Keep a part of it dry and we will be adding in a few drops of glycerine just to make a part of it a little liquidy, so that we have both options. I'm going to work with both. Adding glycerine will lend that shine to my eyeshadow. Let's test it. The dry version, you don't need arrowroot with turmeric because turmeric is as it is highly pigmented, and this is the one mixed with glycerine just to give a nice gloss to the eyes. To make the pink lipstick, I will take 1 teaspoon of arrowroot powder, 1 teaspoon of any lotion your choice, preferably a white one, and the beetroot lip tint that we had made for the first look. Blend it together and the lipstick is ready. Okay, so now moving on to the blush, we will take some more lotion and add it to the lipstick we just made, the pink lipstick, to make a baby pink cream blush. I will be additionally adding some aloe vera gel to the blush because I want that mirror-like glaze to differentiate it from the consistency of the lipstick. So the lipstick will give me more of a matte feel, while this will give me more of a lip glossy feel. What is a blush without gloss? Also, adding aloe vera will give it a consistency not just of a cream blush but also a mild highlighter, because the third look is about being glamorous. We will start by testing our cream blush since it has a lighter shade. I really love this shade and it has that mirror glaze that I was talking about. Blush cum highlighter. Okay, now on to the lipstick. Wow. See, a rich pink color. Is it any less than the lipstick you buy from your stores? Be honest. So now we are ready with our prep. Time to look glamorous.
Hi guys, so this was the last look. I really do hope you had a jolly good time watching me create my makeup products with all the fun stuff found in the kitchen. And if you are a creative individual just like I am, and if you're fond of colors and just creating stuff and experimenting, then this hobby is for you. So thank me later for giving you another reason to smile in this lockdown. But first, try out these recipes and do let me know. And please give me a thumbs up for all the effort that I put in if you thought it was worth your time. And I'll see you guys real soon. Till then, take care of your environment. It's very important.